FBC ASEAN E-Midas Fair is a gathering place for the manufacturing business community from Vietnam, Japan, and many countries around the world, with 1,000 exhibition booths, 30,000 trade visitors, and more than 20 industries across the entire manufacturing value chain, of which 80% are manufacturing companies. The exhibition creates a vibrant business environment within the manufacturing ecosystem. With the one-stop sourcing hub model, FBC ASEAN 2026 E-Midas Fair connects the entire manufacturing ecosystem in a single space, from component and parts manufacturers, material suppliers, equipment and automation solution providers, service and technology companies, to OEM and ODM buyers, both domestic and international.
At FBC ASEAN, every touchpoint opens up a new connection opportunity. From product showcases and B2B matching to multi-channel communication, businesses can engage with the right partners and expand their opportunities. Through the MIDAS network, with more than 23,000 companies, networking extends beyond the exhibition.
At FBC ASEAN, the organizers accompany businesses at every stage of the connection process, from meeting at the exhibition to factory tours, negotiations, and order finalization, turning initial connections into concrete cooperation opportunities. That is why more and more businesses choose FBC ASEAN as a long-term business development platform. Join and become part of the regional manufacturing ecosystem.